this is a very difficult one, because the last time when we were kicked out of parliament, we were trying to demonstrate that so Ramaphosa sits and chairs a body within the executive that is said to be dealing with a crisis, called the crisis room or something. And then we're saying to him, but that body makes decisions, and we're unable to see what kind of decisions they make about energy, about nuclear, and all those things. And we're saying to him, through Shanduka, they are involved in coal mining. So he takes decisions. We just approved, we're about to, we're in a debate of whether ESCOM must get the 20 billion loan bailout or not. And we're proving to the government that in as much as we are for state ownership, the expansion of state ownership into the strategic industries in the economy, but it cannot be done by in the interest of elites looting the state. Now the problem with energy in South Africa is the arrogance of the ANC government, number one. Number two, it's corruption. Is that the delays in Medupi, it's the fight for tenders, it's the fight, for crumbs that the ANC people are all struggling around. Now, we would have achieved all those targets because we find you with your hand in a cookie jar. Our manifesto says minimum sentence is 20 years imprisonment. It doesn't matter how much you've stolen. Minimum sentence as a point of departure is 20 years in prison when we find you stealing from the people. So that is how you would clean your government of any deal that it engages in. But in the immediate, you've got to give big generators. Government should be investing in big generators for collective services, in clinics. You can't have a situation where a clinic in a township is load shared. Government should be giving a spread view. You should be giving our people, generators, so that things like clinics, things like hospitals, that the services that our people need are never out of energy, so that life is able, as it were, to move on, including schools and all the collective services. Now, the other question has to do with El Bashir. Again,